guys, it's me, Charm J, and I'm back with another unboxing or unbagging. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at the large corner zip wristlet in loved denim. Ladies, you know we've been going crazy about the denim bags and everything like that, so I had to get a wallet to go with my denim Rowan. Let me know what you guys think about this larger wallet in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe to see what I come up with next, because if you know me, you know I'll be back. Bye.